Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video, it's going to be a quick one because we're taking some designs I made using alcohol inks and we're going to turn them into cards. Um, I already have my card bases pre-cut to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I have top folding cards and I've already stamped happy birthday in black on vellum. And I'm going to use these two alcohol ink backgrounds that we created. And we're going to start by trimming them down so that way they're 4 by 5 1/4. And by doing that, it's going to give an instant matte when you attach it to the card base. So you'll have a nice even border all around all four sizes. Okay. And this one is one of my favorites, the black. Oh, I just love it. And then I may or may not use the white circles that you see there, but we'll get to that in a second, okay? I'm going to show you how it looks with and without. So again, we're trimming this down so that it's 4 by, now we're going to trim this on each side to make 5 1/4. Why is it as soon as I start doing this, I got the yawnsies? Okay, sorry about that. So here we go. Now we're going to put that to the side and pretty much our cards are done. I used a 3-inch punch to create the circle and you could just put the vellum right on the card front. You know, you could see more of the picture, but I think I'm still going to use the circle because it kind of makes the happy birthday stand out since it's on vellum. Okay, so we're going to start by putting our cards together, and I'm putting the ink on the card base with my wet glue, which I always do to just give me a little bit of time to be able to move stuff around if I need to. And then I was thinking, should I hang it off the edge? I don't like that. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put some tape, do some glue, and we're going to put this one down here in the bottom right. That way we get a lot of gold in the upper left. And I'm just putting a little bit of tape right along the actual word happy birthday. And by doing that, it actually hides the glue and stuff behind the letters and you don't see anything. So a lot of times with vellum, you know, the hard part is hiding the tape, right? So if you can turn the whole backing into a sticker, then that works really great. But for this particular style, the best thing to do was just to put the tape right behind the happy birthday, add a little bit of glue, and then press it down. And I'm telling you, it hid like it was perfect. It just hid it perfectly. Now this one, I'm going to put it up higher just to show you different options. And again, same thing. Wherever I put the tape is where I'm putting the wet glue, and then I'm just pressing down in those areas. All right, and you could literally leave it just like that, but of course you guys know I'm going to do two things if nothing else. We're going to get some splatters, but with this stamp set from Catherine Pooler, I decided to go ahead and ink on the inside too. So when they have them already already done up, and stamps for the inside of your cards work wonderfully. You can go ahead and use them, stamp it up, and then that way when you're ready to go, all you have to do is sign your name and keep it moving. So we're going to do the same thing on both of these. And it's just stamped down, pulling straight up. And there you go. Perfect. So now to finish off the card, I'm going to grab some Picket Fence spray. And I love it. Especially the colored background, it looks like a galaxy. And then on the pink one, it looks really pretty. I don't know. There's something about the splatters. I know not everybody loves them, but for me, I don't know. It's just the cherry on top. That's all. I thought the cards were pretty without, but it just takes it up another level. So since we use gold in the alcohol inks, I'm hitting it with the fossilized amber just to have a little bit of gold splatters as well. And then that's it. And I'm going to try and cool it off or dry it off using my heat tool. But I did notice that the pink one kind of started to like bubble up, like warp the paper. So I put the heat tool kind of to the side after I hit this one, and then I just let them dry naturally because I don't want it to bubble and I don't want it to cause any issues with the actual card that we created. So I was just trying not to put my fingers in it when I'm showing it to you guys. So I wanted to hit it with the heat tool. But that's it. That is it. 2 projects done using alcohol inks, and just think of all the cards you can make, you know what I mean? And just go crazy with it. It's almost as soothing as doing like gel prints. I love alcohol inks. They're really fun to play with. So thank you guys so much. If you want to see, the video was put out on Tuesday of this week. Take a look at playing with the alcohol inks. I think you'll really enjoy it. And I will look forward to seeing you guys with our next video. Have a great weekend.